Ready? You can do it. 5, 6. Weave it to your right here. 1, 2, 3. Triple step, rock step. Weave it left. 4 steps. Triple rock. Step touch on that diagonal. Turn to your right. Rock right. Cross shuffle right. Rock left. Cross shuffle. Start it over. 4 steps. Triple and rock. 4 steps. Triple and rock. Step touch. Turn it. Rock out. Cross shuffle. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Weave. Triple. Rock. Weave. Triple. Rock. Step touch. Turn it. Rock out. Cross shuffle. Start it over with your weave. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step touch. 3, turn. We're gonna keep going. Rock, triple, cross shuffle. Rock, start it over. Weave, triple. Remember, we want that triple to be little. Little step. Step touch. Turn it. Rock, cross shuffle, same thing. Little steps. Start it over. Weave. You got it. Triple and rock. Go left. Triple. Step touch. Rock out. Cross shuffle. Right, left, right. Then left, right, left. Weave. Triple. Here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Step touch. You got it. Rock. Cross shuffle. Weave. Triple and rock. Weave left. Step touch. Rock. Cross shuffle. Weave. 4 steps. Triple and rock. Weave. Triple and rock. Step touch. You got it. Rock and cross shuffle. Now left. Start it over. Left. Step touch. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. Rock. Just have fun. Weave. We're almost done. Triple step, rock step. Triple. Step touch. Rock step. Cross shuffle. Start it over. Weave. Triple. Step touch. Last time. Yeah, very, very nice. If you want to do it without cueing, I'm going to do it one more time.
Rumors going all over town, can't keep my name out the mouth these days. Yeah, they say I live too fast to settle down. Truth is, I just ain't about these games they all play. Wanna find something stronger than the whiskey. Oh, I've tried, but every time I feel a kiss me, I keep coming up empty. Yeah, I just wanna love somebody who won't leave a hole in my heart. I just wanna love somebody that don't want me falling apart. And I'll be lucky if I ever find something more than just a crazy night. I just wanna love somebody who ain't hypnotized by dollar signs and blinding lights like they tend to be. Yeah, I need someone that I'll be proud to take on back to my hometown. Honest eyes that just ain't gonna lead to lonely nights, even when she's up against me. I don't know why it feels like there's nobody with me, and I'm still empty. Yeah, wanna love